iMovie stores all media and editing data for projects into an iMovie library file. When setting up to edit a project for the first time, always create a new library. To do so, navigate to File, Open Library, New. Rename the library and select a storage location. If you're working in the PLU Library Design Lab, save to the user storage or a flash drive. When done, click Save. The new library will appear in the column to the left. Close out of any other libraries that are open to avoid accidentally working in the wrong one. To do so, right-click the library and select Close Library. Closing libraries won't delete them from the computer. The Projects tab should open. If not, select it from the top of the window. Then, click Create New and select Movie. This will create a project which stores edits in the timeline. Each library can have multiple projects, but typically only one project is needed for each movie. After the library and project are set up, media can be imported and editing can begin. Be sure to keep track of the library file because this is where all media and data is stored. If you need to switch to a different computer or share the project, all you need to move is the library file. Also, be aware that the library file can become very large if a lot of media is added to the project. More information about iMovie can be found in our other videos, or by visiting the PLU Knowledge Base. If you need assistance, please feel free to reach out to Instructional Technologies.